year of pass out is 2021. I joined Jspiders by thinking I could learn some good things and I could crack my interviews, and yes, my dream has come true today. Because I pursued a course Java full stack from here, and here the faculties, coming to faculties, Keshaveara and Rajajinagar has taught Java from scratch till the end, and it helped me to crack my interview. And Charik sir was good in his programming classes, and I learned more in programming. And also I learned web technology from Senate sir and SQL from Bhuvan sir. And yeah, this is a good platform, and HRs here are very friendly and they will be in contact if you regularly go and talk to them. Yes, this is about my feedback about Jspiders. Thank you.